Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim Shaves and today's gonna be a fun shave. Trying out some new products that I got during the mail call, so should be an exciting one. Yeah, hope you guys are having a good day, a great week, and some good shaves. I'm a little bit tired right now after work. Got up early today to go for a run, so feeling good, but body is a little tired. It's all good. Let's get right at it. So, so the software to start off gonna be the new one. This one is the Dr. Selby shaving cream. Is it Selby or Shelby? I'm not sure. It's a product of Uruguay, and this is what it looks like. Green tinge to it, and you can see the parts I scooped out of. And even though they say it's a shaving cream, this is hard as a brick. So it's almost like a triple milled soap, and the scent is pretty clean and bright. It reminds me of a little bit of a spike, but also a bit of Lee. So kind of those two mixed. So it's a bright lavender scent, but more on the clean side. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. It's got this nice plastic container here. So I like that as well. And I scooped out some shavings of the soap and lathered up. And it took a lot of water. Could be that I loaded a lot into the bowl, but it is lathered up here, and I put in plenty of water. And this one's gonna be a new brush. This one is from Razorock, and I think I forgot to feature this during the mail call, but this was one of them as well. This is the Razorock Beehive. As you can see, it's a bright orange beehive handle, which I quite enjoy. Yeah, I like this. I could hold it with this 3 finger grip over here and just kind of lather it on. It has a 28 millimeter plus soft knot, I believe. So yeah, just a basic knot, but it's 28 millimeter, so it's got some density and spread to it. But yeah, let's get right at it. I'm on about 3 days of growth, so good amount to work with. Excuse me. All right, let me wet the face and get lathered up here. All right, yeah. Not feeling 100% right now, but it's all good. Let's go for a good shave. Here we go. Let's get lathered up. First time using this shaving cream. And so far so good. Look at that nice layer of application. Let's agitate it a bit. As you can see, the splay is very big. It's got a nice creaminess to it, I would say. It's about like medium density. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. So far, so good. Add a little bit more water here. More water. A ton of leather. Look at that. Yeah, a bit of nice density to the leather. Still slick on the hand. Pretty good so far. Took in a lot of water. For a commercial soap, this is pretty good. Yeah, not bad of a lather here. Let's see how easily the blade glides on the skin. And the blade we're going to be using today is the Vision Super Platinum, which I had before, but I did buy a couple hundred packs of it. Hopefully that wasn't a mistake. And let's continue on with the Rockwell 6S here. This is on plate, or yeah, setting 6 or plate 6. Most efficient plate out of the 6. Here we go, first pass. Alright, with the grain. Man. So far, so good. Felt a little bite over there towards the chin. Got a bit of blemish. All right, gathering all the stubbles underneath. Pretty decent first pass. Let me rinse up here. Feeling a little sting over here. For some reason. Yeah, I don't know why, but it cut down the growth. Little stubbles underneath there. We'll take care of that next pass. Soap is feeling pretty slick. I'm not noticing any deficiency on the soap, the lather. Feels slick and creamy on the skin. Nothing bad to say about it so far. When rinsing off the lather, There was some residual slickness. I would say it's enough to be able to shave off the residual, but maybe not the slickest, or I don't know if that's a term, but it seems to be good enough, decent, but not the best out of the residual slickness department. Huh. Blade feels decent. It's slightly tuggy compared to the other blades that I enjoy, but not bad. Alright, very nice. Yeah, I'm having no problem with the leather. It's providing that slick layer for the blade to glide on. Been pretty good so far. Yeah, on the residual, it's there. It's decent, but I don't think it's anything to rave over. But yeah, a very clean result so far. Let me go for one more cleanup pass here. And just gonna go for an across the grain cleanup pass. Plenty of lather left over. Nice and creamy. Plenty more on the bowl. Yeah, so far so good. This this soap is turning out to be a pretty good one. Here we go. Start from the neck. Still some stragglers left. I want to keep a gentle touch here. As in the last pass, you're probably going to be doing the most damage to your skin, so want to keep a gentle touch and just have it gliding over the skin, not scraping over it. All right, not bad. Not bad of a shave. Yeah, pretty clean everywhere. Still some stubbles left against the grain, but don't need a BBS today. I'm gonna leave it at that. Yeah, so far so good. I think I'm pretty impressed with how the lather turned out. As I'm rinsing through the skin, Feeling slight sting here and there around the chin. Neck seems pretty good, just a little bit on the chin. So it might be the blade, might be the combination, but as for the lather, the Dr. Selby soap, it worked out pretty well. All right, let's finish it up here with the aftershave elixir from Shea Moisture. A little bit of that bright citrusy scent. All right, not a lot of sting today. The little I thought I was feeling on the chin went away really quick. I'm gonna go for a little more dose. Yeah, that's pretty good. So good shave. I think the blade, the Vision Super Platinum blade, felt a little rougher than how it actually turned out, so I'm happy with that. Even if it feels slightly tuggy during the shave, as long as it leaves a comfortable result, I am satisfied with that. So yeah, not bad. Let's go over the shave really quick. Dr. Selby shaving cream. Interesting packaging, interesting bowl, interesting color, very hard. I scraped about a little more than my usual, and it left me with plenty of lather. There's still a lot more in the brush and the bowl, and I could see why people say, or the manufacturer says, that you can get over 400 shades with just this single bowl. It produces a lot of lather, slick, creamy, dense. I would say it's about medium density, so not super creamy like Omnibus base, or I don't know, of those like A&E, Kaizen 2. It's not like that, but it gets pretty close. I would say, yeah, it's pretty dense, slick, and creamy. There is some residual slickness, so overall, I think for a good shave, I don't think you can go wrong with this soap. As for the drying on the skin, or like skin, what would you call it? Man, post-shave features of the soap, I didn't feel any dryness during the shave. Maybe if I don't put any balm after the shave and leave it alone, maybe my skin will dry out a bit. But so far, it seemed like a neutral on the post-shave effects. Yeah, so, and the scent, it's a nice clean lavender scent. Maybe slightly like herbal, medicinal. But yeah, I enjoy it. Alright, and the brush, Beehive, I like the design. I don't know why I got it, but I'm enjoying it now. And went with the Rockwell 6S, trusty old Rockwell 6S, Vision blade. It felt slightly rough during the shave, but the result was excellent, so can't complain about that. Maybe it has a 1 to 2 use break-in, I'm not sure, but I'll continue to use this blade and see how it goes. I remember using it up to 6 or 7 times, so this might be an interesting experiment for me. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. This is Tim Shade, and I'll see you guys next time. See you.